Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix black desktop background in Windows 10/11. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Method 1. First, go to the Windows icon. Then click on Settings. Then click on Ease of Access, and in the Display section scroll down, and you will get this option, Show Desktop Background Image. Simply turn this option on. That's it. Turn on this option and you can see the issue has been resolved. Now the black wallpaper is gone, so this is your first method. Now move on to our method 2. Just go to the search bar and type Control Panel. Then click on this option, Control Panel. Now change this view by option to small icons. Then click on Ease of Access Center. Now click on Make the computer easier to see. Just click on this option. Scroll down and make sure this option is untick. Remove background image, OK. If there's any tick on this option like this, just remove this tick. Then click on Apply, then click on OK. So these are the two methods you can apply to fix this black wallpaper issue. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.